Having trouble with the Tesco app rejecting your card? This section addresses the common reasons why your card payment might be failing and provides practical solutions. The main culprits are usually related to billing address mismatches, issues with 3D Secure, 3DS authentication, or hitting your card's spending limits. The billing address on file with your card issuer must match the delivery address in the Tesco app. A mismatch triggers a decline as a fraud prevention measure. 3DS adds security by requiring additional verification like OTP or biometric scan. Failures occur due to timeouts, app incompatibilities, or incorrect entry. According to Tesco's data, 3DS timeouts affect 10 to 15% of transactions, especially during peak hours. Banks set daily, weekly spending caps to prevent fraud. Exceeding these results in instant declines. Tesco's app checks limits in real time. You can check and adjust limits via your bank app for larger orders. According to Tesco's latest data from August 2025, their app has a 95% card acceptance rate, but failures can still happen, especially during peak hours. This is usually due to server overload, with 3DS timeouts affecting 10 to 15% of transactions. Keep your app updated and ensure a stable Wi-Fi connection to avoid these issues. First, confirm that the billing address in the app matches exactly what's on file with your card issuer. You can update this information in the app's payment settings. Mismatches trigger declines for security reasons. Second, make sure 3D Secure 3DS is enabled in your bank app and that your device is compatible, iOS 17 Plus or Android 14 Plus. 3DS adds a layer of security through one-time passwords or biometric scans. If you're hitting card limits, check and increase them via your bank app, especially for large orders. As an alternative, you can use multiple cards or digital wallets like Apple Pay or Google Pay. These wallets have seen a 40% increase in usage in 2025, bypassing traditional card issues. Finally, consider using the limit override option for verified users where additional verification, e.g. via Tesco Club Card loyalty app, can temporarily lift limits for large orders.